Hi, my name is Francesca de Valence and I'm the founder of I Heart Songwriting Club. This school holidays in Brisbane on July the 12th, we are running a one-day school holiday workshop. In fact, to be more specific, I am running the workshop. It's the only school holiday public workshop that I'm going to be running this whole year. And if you're a kid living in the Brisbane area or you can travel from the Gold Coast to Toowoomba, Sunshine Coast, wherever you are, come to this event because on this workshop day, I'm going to share with you my tricks, my tools, my tips for writing songs so easily and actually having a really, really good time. I used to struggle to write songs. Firstly, I was alone in my room writing songs. So doing it on your own is actually really hard and you're really isolated and no one can really give you some input and some help. But, and not only that, it's actually way more fun when you do it with others. So I used to be that songwriter that struggled, but with these tips and these tricks that I'm going to be showing you, I've actually gone from struggling to learning how to write songs really, really fast. In fact, I write songs every single week in about 1 hour, and I have hundreds and hundreds of songs that I've written. So if you're a young songwriter that would love, that dreams of, playing your songs on stages, that dreams of writing musicals, that dreams of having your songs heard on radio or being played on radio, this is the workshop that is going to help you with the tools and inspire you to do just that. So grab yourself a workshop ticket. They're actually already half sold out, so there's a handful left. Grab yourself a ticket and join me on Friday the 12th of July where I am going to be working with you to help you do that. And I'm really looking forward to that. See you then.